Okay, let's start this over. I forgot to push start. I painted, well, these are the ones my daughter painted. The purple and the light blue. I had to go over the purple because she half did it, even though you can see right on the corner. But you're really not going to see that once I pour the resin on it. Then I did it in pink, but it's hard to see the pink. And then I did the blue ones. And then I did brown because on the brown ones, I'm going to use a copper and a bronze on these. I'm going to put acrylic resin in the inside of these and on the outside, and then I'm going to try to get it on the inside of this one without messing up the paint. And then solid color. Well, I'm going to mix it pink and some other colors. So they will be for sale when I finish them. I'll probably do a video to let you see how they come out, because I was trying to give you some that I did already, but I don't know how to pause this video, so I'm just going to have to stop and see if I can do a 2-part video. So I don't have editing software.